All right. Happy Tuesday morning. It's Brandon Campbell coming at you live with today's new video, how to make $250 by the weekend. If you're a man and you're looking to leave your job, you're laid off or out of work and need to earn some cash and need to earn it immediately. In this video, I'm going to show you how, tell you the tools, tips, and resources you need so that you can make you $250 by the weekend or every day. It just depends on how hard you want to work it. Number one, all you need is an iPhone or Android or any type of phone, because you're going to need this in this new part-time hustle that you're going to start, which could produce $50 a day to $250 a day. It just depends on you. Number three, you're gonna have to have a computer because you're gonna need to place ads on Craigslist. And number three, you will want to call the U-Haul place and ask them what's the cost per day to lease a truck. Because here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna post ads on Craigslist saying, I will haul anything. And you set your price for small loads, $50 for a place like Atlanta, which is where I'm filming this video from, and $150 for bigger stuff like cars and stuff. And this is a good side hustle to get in right now at this time, because with the Christmas season coming up, there will be lots of people buying lots of things and need someone to haul it off. And this will be great for you if you already have a truck. That way you cut down on the expenses of having to rent a truck, but all these expenses will be tax write-offs for you in this year, since you're doing it this year. And number three, just place your ad, wait for your phone to ring. People will call you because people need services like hauling stuff off, post flyers around your local neighborhood, and you can easily make $50 a day or $250 a day, depends on how much time you're willing to put in it. And this way, if you're at a job and you want to leave it, you could produce enough clientele to possibly leave your job behind. People are always in need of someone to move something, but you're not getting into the moving business. You're just getting into the hauling business. And you work this on the weekend, and I promise you, you could possibly make an extra $2,000 a month easy, because landlords, people want cars moved out their yard. That's what you charge $150 for. Or $50, then you can turn around and sell them for $200. Easy. All you have to do is go on Craigslist or check your local listings about these people that we buy cars, get all their phone numbers, call them, and tell them you got some cars for sale. On the low end, they'll give you $150. On the high end, a possible $500 to $1,000 a car. This is a great hustle for you to have. And if you like the information, comment in the link below, subscribe, click the notification button, so when I do drop another video giving you valuable information like this, that you will be notified. But have a happy Tuesday morning. I hope this information could help you, and have a nice day.